today we are making a delicious vegan pesto. This is great to use as a sauce on pasta, but don't limit yourself to that. It's great as a spread on sandwiches or wraps, even just with veggies. Pesto really goes a long way and it's really versatile. Plus, it's so delicious and fresh. You're gonna love this recipe. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is everything you are going to need to make this delicious pesto. I'm starting off with about 4 cups of basil. And fun fact is I actually grew this basil in my little herb garden, which I'm very proud of because I tend to even kill succulents. And then to that, I'm going to be adding in a couple cloves of garlic. You can do 1 to 2 depending on how garlicky you like yours. Then I'm going to be adding in the juice of a whole lemon. Now, the great thing about lemon is not only does this make it really refreshing, but it also helps to make the sauce or the spread last a bit longer. So go ahead and use the juice of a full lemon. I would suggest using a fresh lemon here as opposed to the juice in the bottle, just because that way you get a lot of the benefits. A lot of the ones in the bottle are from concentrate. And then to that, I'm going to be adding in some pine nuts. Now, if you don't want to do pine nuts, this will work well with pistachios, walnuts, even almonds. To that, I'm adding in some olive oil. And it's really important to use a good quality olive oil. So you want one that comes in a dark glass bottle. You want it to be organic, and you also want it to have a harvest date. That's a great way to tell about the quality of an olive oil. Then I'm going to be adding in just a little bit of pepper along with some Himalayan salt. And this really just helps to bring the pesto together and create that wonderful, delicious flavor. So then all you have to do is blend that up, and then I store it in a mason jar. So this will keep in the fridge for about 5 days, or you can freeze it for a couple months. Another great tip is to actually separate it, if you're going to be freezing it, into little ice cube trays. So then you have these little cubes of pesto that you can throw into sauces or use with pastas, stir fries, and it just makes it really easy and ready to go. But this is such a delicious spread, dip, or thing to use on pasta. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This pesto is so delicious. I know you're gonna love it, so definitely tag me if you make it. I honestly use it, like I said, on so many things, on pasta, veggies, wraps, spreads, everything. Pesto is just, well, pesto is the besto. If you guys watch Friends, you'll understand that reference. I'm gonna leave my healthy recipes playlist here so you guys can see lots more recipes from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.